And I call it synthetic mining because you can use it as kind of as a miner, right? Where you want Bitcoin, or you want Ethereum, or you want Solana. You can mine it synthetically using this stuff, right? Like if I wanted to add Solana, for example, let me go over here. Okay, I go and do Solana against USD or USDT or something. Let's say USD, right? I'd set a max price, whatever the max price is. I don't know, 300. I don't know what Solana price is right now. Let's say I'd spend $50 and then I look for a 2% stash and no profit, because I don't want cash. I want Solana. So I want $1 worth of Solana every time this thing gets a reward, right? And so I'd set it to do that. And so now I'm mining Solana essentially, and this thing's going back and forth, buying and selling, and what's happening? My Solana stash is growing, it's increasing, little by little, piece by piece, until eventually I've got, a year later or whatever,